Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and we're back at CVS and it is before my shift. So we're gonna go shopping, see what kind of deals we can find. And in case you're new here, I do these every single Thursday. Gives you a couple days to get these same deals. But yeah, check my description box below and I have a whole playlist. But yeah, let's go see what kind of deals we can get this week. So the first thing I was after was these waters. Just the basics purified water 24 pack for $2.99, but unfortunately we are really out of stock on the water right now, so we don't have them. So oh well, we have these, but these are the 10 fluid ounce for $2.89, and that would have been the 24 with the 16.9, so that would have been a great buy, but oh well, we don't have them. So we'll just get some Pop-Tarts and cereal. So I am going to get one Reese Puff cereal and one of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, then probably a strawberry Pop-Tart. This isn't on sale, but I just need it, so I'm going to get this Gold Emblem pure bacon soda. Next thing I see is the spend 12 on any LA Girl cosmetics, get 6 extra bucks. And I have a lot of stuff from LA Girl, but I don't have any of these, so I think I'll pick up 5 of these Perfect Precision eye and lip pencils for $3.99 each. The next thing I see is spend 12 on any e.l.f. cosmetics, get 4 extra bucks. And I'm in really bad need of new sponges, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and get these $15 3 sponges, complex sponge trio for precise coverage. Oh yeah, I'll cover my bases. And the last deal I see is buy 2 get 6 extra bucks on Covergirl. Buy any 15 on Covergirl, you get that free sponge, but we don't have that, so I'm just going to buy 2 products and get the 6 extra bucks. I'm going to get, I know this says matte, and I've been not wanting to get it, but I really want it, so I'm going to try out this Covergirl Clean Matte BB Cream, and this is the 530 Light Medium, and it is going for $9.49, and I'm also, I don't know if I've got that or not. Shoot, I don't even know what all I have, so I'm gonna skip that because I might have that already that I hadn't tried out yet. And I'll get, well shoot, I don't need another foundation though. Hold on, screw it, I want the foundation, so I'm gonna get this one, which is the Covergirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 Foundation in $8.20. This is creamy natural. Hopefully it won't be too dark. And it is going for $12.99. Alright, so this is my first receipt. It was with the 2 Covergirl products, the 5 eyeliners in the e.l.f. sponge trio. I got an employee discount of 20%, which was $6 off, and then I had a 4 off of 15 of Covergirl, which is, I think, a coupon that was on the app. So if you don't have the CVS app, you need to get it, and you need to apply the coupons to your card. And then I had a 40% off of a LA Girl product. So I guess that took all of the, because it was $5.98, it took off. So I'm guessing all of the eyeliners, and it took off the 40%. So that was cool. Anyways, yeah, it was 8 items. And I did pay $41.09 for it, but this was how I could get the extra bucks. So But let's see. I did get a total of 30% off. And I saved $15 on there. And then here's the second transaction. I had the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, the Reese's cereal, the Pop-Tarts, the baking soda, and the, yeah, that was it. And I had an employee discount of 36 cents. And there was a cereal coupon. It took $1 off, and that was from the app. And then there was, what was that from? Oh, okay. That is from the extra bucks. I used 6 extra bucks, and for some reason it just took $5.80 off for the 6 extra bucks I had. So I spent a total of $68 cents on this transaction, which gave me $15 worth of saving and 100% of savings value on that transaction. And then I still had some extra bucks left, so I went back and I remembered I needed to get some hair dye for this month because I've not re-dyed my hair. So I got 2 of the, what is it called? Let's see. I got 2 of these hair dyes. The, what's it called? True Red Garnier Nursing Hair Cream. But yeah, True Red. We'll see how that goes. I got 2 boxes of that. And I also got some nails. These nails. But yeah, I got the 2 boxes of hair dye and the Kiss nails. Got an employee discount of $2.20. I had, let's see, I think it was a coupon on the app for $2. And then I had a coupon from buying so many hair dyes, you get one for free. So I had a $9 coupon. It's like a free box, but $9 coupon. And then I had the extra bucks of $6 and another extra bucks of $4 to use. I think that was from extra bucks anyways, but that left me to pay $2.57 for the 2 hair colors and the Kiss nails. And that saved me $25.18, 93% of savings. And then it spit me out a coupon, $3 coupon, for spending so much on beauty. Like, I think you spend $30, you get 3 extra bucks or something like that. And that's retail value of $30. That's not counting when you use coupons. It's like you never even used your coupons. So yeah, so I got 3 extra bucks. So I went back and got 2 more LA Girl lip liners in some different colors, and employee discount of $1.20, and I used that 3 extra bucks, so I only had to pay $2.26, which they was $2.99 each. So that left me, how much? Oh, I already said left me to pay $2.26. That's $4.20 of savings, 70%. So what did I spend in total? $47 for all of this. I got a lot of makeup, so yeah, I think I did pretty good. Whew, it's hot out here. I don't know how hot it is in Alabama right now, but it's really hot. So, sorry, I'm sweating and my, yeah, I look like a complete mess, but I'm really happy. I only spent $40-something. And how much did I save? Let's see. I saved like $60 and only spent, what did I say, 47 or something like that. So I did good. I did real good. So I'm really happy with my purchases. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like these, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget my playlist. It's also in the description box below. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye.